Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making this delicious sopa de fideo. Let's start off by gathering 4 tomatoes. You're gonna cut them in 4 and add them to the blender. Next, you're gonna add in 1 clove of garlic. Add in 1/3 of a white onion. Next, add in 1 cup of water. You're gonna completely blend it and then set it aside. Now we're gonna start working on the fideo. Heat up a pot and add in some oil. Now you're gonna add your favorite kind of fideo. Now most importantly, you have to stay stirring this fideo so it doesn't burn. We're looking for a golden toasted color. And remember, do not let this burn. Do not take your eyes off of this. You're gonna keep this in medium-low heat throughout the process of cooking it. The sopa de fideo cooks up in minutes, making it an easy choice for weeknight dinners. You can top this off however you want, like with some cilantro, but today I'm doing it with avocado, cheese, and lemon. We're gonna keep stirring and stirring. I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see how long it basically takes. Be sure to get all the fideo that's sticking on the side of the pot. This soup is quite easy to adjust. You can add shredded chicken or add vegetables like peas and carrots or potato, anything you like, but today we're making it the traditional way. Now that the fideo is nice and golden, we're gonna add the tomato sauce we set aside earlier. Ooh, that smells so good. This soup is often served at lunch or at dinner or even as a side dish. Start stirring it up so all the noodles get some of the sauce. If you did want to add vegetables to it, this will be the right time to do it. I just want to take a quick second to remind you guys to please like and subscribe. Remember to keep stirring this. You want this to cook evenly. This sopa de fideo is my family's favorite, but it's also my favorite because it's so easy to make. Next, we're gonna add both chicken and tomato seasoning. This is gonna add a little extra flavor to the sauce. Here I'm using chicken and tomato bouillon. You can use whichever brand you like, but I'm using this one. Go ahead and stir it in so all of the flavors can incorporate into the soup. Give it a taste, and if you think it needs more seasoning, add it in, or you can add some salt. Here I added a little bit of both. Go ahead and mix it up. Now that it's boiling, we're gonna add 4 cups of chicken broth. I promise this is gonna give it that extra flavor. Go ahead and give it a mix and lower the heat a little bit. Cover your sopita for about 5 to 7 minutes and then it should be done. Now we're going to plate it. Here I top it with panela cheese, avocado, and cilantro. And there you have it, guys, our simple sopa de fideo. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.